What's up guys, the Rage here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a look into Bigzzia 2000 watt pressure washer, which is capable to deliver 150 bar of pressure with a flow rate of 6.7 liters per minute. Also come with the auto switch off and a micro switch off features in case of anything goes wrong for the purpose of protection. And from the side of input, it takes about 2000 watts. And come with the hose length of 5 meters, which is decent enough to use it out and about. Come with all necessary and pressure requirement fitting, which will suit the outdoor cleaning for your patio, windows, bicycle, cycle, car, barbecue, furniture, even your animals too. Come with a very nice and straight one fitting lens capable to deliver high pressure injection, fan spray and spray foam as well. And this all can be done by using only one lens provided. Come with the silicone laminated superpower of 2000 watt motor, which is a brushed motor as well, and fully protected from the side of safety too. Now as usual, to start with, first we're going to check out what comes with this pressure wash, following with its performance and ending with the conclusion, which will give you an idea that is this pressure wash for you or not, or is good for your money or not. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away have a look what comes within the packaging. Now here we have everything which comes with this pressure wash, starting with the handheld unit to install your pressure wash unit, a couple of accessories to install your water inlet pipe, pre-configured high pressure water pipe, and in last but not least your pressure wash, where in the front of pressure wash you have an on and off button, following with the inlet and outlet water pipe connection, where on the back of pressure wash you have a detergent tank which only works when you are in a low pressure mode. It is better to do it like that so you can expand more of foam around. Pretty much decent amount of capacity available for the detergent. Now over on the right hand side of pressure wash, you're going to have a 5-meter long power cable with a fixed area to wrap around the power cable. Helps it very much handy as well. In any pressure wash, there are two crucial parts. One is the pump side, which I'm pretty much happy on this pressure wash. Another one is the main lens, which is this one here. Now over on this main lens, you got two controls. One is a spray, which you can do from this top part. You can turn him around and on if you want to, and you're going to see the difference in the lens assembly in here like that. Very simple and straightforward to manage to get a high and low spray on it. And to control the pressure, you need to follow this area in here by turning it anti-clockwise. You can reduce it, and clockwise you can increase it. Simple as that. Pretty much decent build quality for sure. Now whenever you get to see that this area is a bit jammed up or clogged up, that is a possibility, you can use this pin which is available within the packaging actually to clean the lens area. With this Bigzzia pressure wash, they have included one fitting which is for inlet water, and you can see that it also comes with a very nice filter in there which you can transparently see as well when clogged up. Now handheld lens assembly is pretty much straightforward to use, straightforward to work. Also come with a child lock as well, but simply push it in, nobody can turn it on. Now area to install your high pressure pipe is simple and straightforward. Not big major science going on in here. That is a good thing, which you can easily fix as well in case of broken. Simple assembly and straightforward to work with. Well, it only took me 5 minutes to put all this pressure wash together, and we are ready to go for the performance test, where we'll be using this pressure wash to clean all the dirt in our patio and see how is the effect of it. Now there's another thing, there are a few things which I noticed need improvement, but honestly speaking, I'm not comparing this pressure wash with the Karcher. Yes, from the side of performance I am, but not from the side of what feature Karcher offer, what this does not have. Well, here we are for the performance. I have to clean this all actually, guys. You see this green moss? We just need to clean this all just to see how the pressure wash is going to perform in that. Well, here we have the end result. As you can see, this patio area is pretty much cleaned. Nicely done actually, only with the normal typical lens, and here is the non-clean area, and you can actually see the difference between them for sure. Now lens can go in a spray mode or the straight streamline mode if you want to. Let me first show you the spray mode. Now the stream mode. Now with the help of this particular mode, you can actually clean your windows no problem whatsoever. Now with the stream mode, you can also clean the paint of your decking as well, which I noticed, and it's very much powerful because you are getting 150 bars straight out of the pressure hose. Gotta be very careful with it too. Well, now here we are in the end of this video, and honestly speaking, I don't really have major complaints with this pressure wash by Bigzzia. It can deliver the pressure which is says in advertisement, no problem whatsoever, and the consumption of water is pretty much okay as well. Kind of a green actually, what they call it. Now the thing which I don't like about this one is only one thing, is this pipe actually. Like in other, if I'm comparing with my Karcher, I just need to undo it and off it goes, because the inlet of this pipe is connected with the hose assembly right in here, so don't need to undo the both of them together. But once you undone them all, it's all okay after that, no problem whatsoever. Kind of pressure is pretty good as well. You just need to be careful about this assembly right in here which connects the pressure line. The reason is you have to make sure it's twisted around. And what I've noticed actually, guys, that you can also use the fittings from Karcher too. Now honestly speaking, there's not much of complaint around this pressure wash at all. On off button works fine. Sound a bit different kind of thing if you compare with other pressure washes. All the fittings are sealed and tight, no leaks whatsoever. Once you put them all together, you shouldn't worry about it at all. The wheels on the back will help you to maneuver this one to anywhere you want, and they are pretty much decent in size as well. Overall, I'm pretty much happy with this pressure wash, to be honest with you, and I have also shown you the results which are right in here. If you can see it very much clearly, because it's so bright I cannot see it through my camera at all. Now that would be completely all from my side. I'll be using this pressure wash from obviously onwards now. So if you have any more questions or you like to know more about it, if you found any complaints with it, do let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help or assist what I've noticed on this one. Now see you then guys, bye for now.